To install the Deadbolt Guard, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and about a minute of your time. Turn the knob in a way so you can easily get to both bolts. With a screwdriver, turn both bolts in the counterclockwise direction. 3 or 4 turns should be sufficient. Remove the Deadbolt Guard from the protective package and slide it between the door and the lock plate. Turn the knob all the way to the right to the lock position, turning the Deadbolt Guard in the same manner, making sure that the knob is placed inside the spring clip. Unlock the spring clip and with a screwdriver tighten both bolts, this time turning them in the clockwise direction. Now your Deadbolt Guard is ready to be used. Once engaged, it will protect your deadbolt from being bumped, picked, or even from unauthorized key use.